How to use Widgetable app for beginners. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use this Widgetable app. You can install it by going on the Google Play Store or App Store by simply tapping Widgetable and install the latest version of it. You should sign in or log into your account of Widgetable, and after you have done so, just open your account. So you can simply add any friends by tapping on the friends option, and then you will be able to see the profiles of friends right here. Just set a nickname for yourself as well. So I'll set a nickname Smile for me, and that is done. And I can also add friends by tapping on the add friends option right here, and I can also share and invite my friends on the different platforms. Now you can see there is a wallpaper option on the middle side. With this option you can add any wallpaper that you can choose, wallpaper of the featured flowers, photo also, and matching, paper cut, nature, modern, and many other options and features right here. Now let's go on your profile again. You can also get the free gifts by tapping on the events right here. Just tap on the free food and you can get it. And just like this, you can get many free events under right here. Now you want to shop something, then you need to go on the shop. But for that, you need to have some diamonds for that. How you can add diamond is you need to buy this. You need to pay for these diamonds. So you can simply pay for these diamonds and get and shop as much as you like on here. Now, if you want to pet, then you can simply go on the pet option. So if I want to pet this, then I will simply go to hatch. Now it will take me 24 hours too. So I'll tap on get some eggs. And for that, I need to go on shop and subscription. So for that, I need to have a diamond and I need to pay for that. Now you can just go back and you can also see the option of garden right here. So you can simply tap on the grow option and you can grow flower and save it on your widget, and it will seem beautiful right there. Tap on OK option and then you are done. Tap on the save option. You can choose many other plants as well. Go back and you will see the option of Widgetable Pro. If you go to the Widgetable Pro, then you can use many other features of Widgetable, but for that you need to pay for it. And you will see the option of messages as well. You will see all the messages with your friends that are in friend on Widgetable app. So that's how you can get a gift card or code on here as well, and many other options. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.